Assalamu alaikum. Ninth class mathematics lecture number 22, exercise number 5.4 and question number 8 today. Yes students, question number 8 is, as we have done in last lecture, such type of questions by factor theorem, remainder theorem, and now we have to check that question number 7 and 8 are of different method, as in question number 6 from 1 to question number 6, these all questions are of same method. So 7 and 8 are different. So I'll solve for you question number 8. Yes students, in previous lecture we have solved few questions, and that was, very well I informed you this is Q and this is P. Means constant is P and the coefficient of the highest degree is Q. So in from 1 to 6 all questions were of same method, and there was no any coefficient of x cube, means just coefficient was 1. And now I will try for you one question, that is q coefficient is here and p is this one. How to solve such type of questions? First of all, we have to take the factors of 1 will be plus minus 1, and if there will be any coefficient of x cube, then we will take it as equal to 1 by q. Means this is, suppose this is q and this is p, but we will take q as 1 by q and p as it is. Means q is 2, so 1 by 2 we will take. Again I am going to tell you, if there is any coefficient except of 1, if any coefficient is there except of 1, then we will take it, so it will be 1 by q. If coefficient of x cube will be any number except of 1 के अलावा अगर कोई नंबर यहाँ पे हो, स्टूडेंट्स हमने 1 से 6 तक जो क्वेश्चंस किए हैं उसमें x क्यूब के साथ कोई कोएफिशिएंट नहीं होता. दिस इज़ वेरिएबल एंड दिस इज़ कोएफिशिएंट, दिस इज़ कांस्टेंट. Okay, any numbers that is simple number, means alone number that is constant, it's variable, coefficient, and along with the variable there is any number that is called coefficient. So I'm just going to tell you that if any variable except of 1 is there along with x cube के साथ अगर 1 के अलावा कोई नंबर हो तो हम उसको q ही लेंगे, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इस q अगर 1 भी हो तो 1 बाय q अगर हम लेंगे 1 बाय 1 तो 1 के इक्वल ही आ जाएगा. बट इफ़ देर इज़ एनी नंबर देन इट विल बी 1 बाय 2, 1 बाय 3, 1 बाय 4. अगर कोई नंबर होगा तो q को बेसिकली हम लेते ही 1 बाय दैट नंबर, 1 बाय q है. ठीक है, लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने जो देखा उसमें सब क्वेश्चंस में टिल 1 to 6 ऑल क्वेश्चंस वर हैविंग जस्ट वन कोएफिशिएंट. That's why we solved it simply, but now we will solve it according to 1 by q. 1 by q is 1 by 2. Okay, so what are the factors of 1 by 2? Plus minus 1 by 2 and plus minus 1, because 1 and coefficient, these both are multiplied and their factors we have to take. So one factor are plus minus 1 and 1 by 2 factors are plus minus 1 by 2. So these are 4, it means plus minus 1 and plus minus 1 by 2. These will be 4 factors, means 2 are here, 2 are here. 4 factors we have to find, and here it's cubic polynomial, means highest power is 3. That's why we will say that here 3 factors will be satisfied for this expression. First of all, we will let it that is p of x, mean any polynomial is there, 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. We have to check by we have to apply any one. First of all, means 4 factors हैं बेटा, इसमें से कोई से 3 इस पे अप्लाई करेंगे हम जो कि सेटिस्फाइड होंगे इसमें से, बिकॉज पावर जो है इसकी 3 है और इसकी 3 ही फैक्टर्स होंगे. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल से दैट फॉर x इज़ इक्वल टू +1 आप पुट करके देख लें. ओके, 2 into plus 1 cube plus into 1 square minus 2 1 minus 1. 2 plus 1 minus 2 and minus 1. It's mean cancelled. So p of x is equal to 0. It's mean this is the factor, this is the factor. Actually we put x is equal to 1 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the factor. Why we'll call it factor? Because polynomial answer is 0 is factor of p of x. Clear? Now for x is equal to minus 1, we will try. Yes students, this is the factor because it was equal to 1 and x minus 1 is factor. After that x is equal to minus 1, we took for means we applied the second factor now and placed the values, that is minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 cancelled, and we got minus 1 p of x equal to 0. Okay, remainder is 0, so we will say that x is equal to minus 1. When we took x is equal to minus 1, it will be on the other side, so is equal to 0 is a factor. Factor of polynomial. Clear? This is factor, second factor, its first factor. How many total numbers we were having? We were having 1 plus minus 1 and plus minus 1 by 2. देखें स्टूडेंट्स, दो बेटा हमारे पास फैक्टर्स ये हैं और दो ये हैं, इसमें ये दोनों ही सेटिस्फाइड कर रहे हैं, प्लस 1 भी एंड माइनस 1 भी, बिकॉज आंसर वी आर गेटिंग 0. अब इसमें से कोई एक एप्लीकेबल होगा, कोई एक आप अप्लाई करेंगे तो वो एप्लीकेबल होगा, जबकि एक आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा होगा. सो यू मे ट्राई, you have to try both because I don't know that we don't know that which is satisfied for this one. So let's start. Yes students, now we have placed value x is equal to minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 4 times, and 1 by 2 whole square is, that's why it will be 4, negative negative positive, 2 cancelled, minus minus it will be plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, these both are cancelled. This will be minus 1 by 4. Okay, its power will be, no wait, we have to check it. The value is okay, yes, both these are also cancelled, and answer is 0. It's mean x is equal to minus 1 by 2, and after cross multiplying, that is 2x is equal to minus 1 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is factor. This is factor. So students, these are factors, means here we have placed minus 1 by 2. It means if you will place plus 1 by 2, so no need to place it because already here's all factors, required factors are satisfied. Plus 1 we placed, that is satisfactory. Minus 1 we placed, that is satisfactory. And now it is minus 1 by 2 we have placed, because four factors we were having, plus minus 1 and plus minus 1 by 2. Plus minus 1 is whole satisfied for this expression and applicable. Third one we need whether it is plus 1 or minus 1, you have to place both, but I just directly place this one, but answer is 0. It means no need to place 1 by 2 because that is not required. We need just three factors because The expression's highest power is 3. That's why we need just 3 factors. So 3 factors are, you can see x minus 1, x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. These are 3 factors: x minus 1, x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. These are 3 required factors. So this was required to find the factors, students. In question number 7, as it is, you will solve it by yourself. Question number 8 I have solved for you. So this exercise is 5.4 is, and today you will practice all questions frequently and solve on your register. Inshallah, check schools are going to be open inshallah from 15. We will meet. I'll check your registers, bring your each and everything, and inshallah before 15 I'll send more lectures, and in that lecture, those lectures, we will start the next unit. Till then, Allah Hafiz.